How to make your phone speaker sound better. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone speaker sounds flat or quiet, there's one simple setting that instantly improves clarity and loudness. First thing you need to do is open up your settings menu, and from your settings menu you need to turn off mono audio because many phones accidentally have mono audio enabled, which merges left and right channels into one. This kills depth and makes speaker sound weak. So what you want to do here is on your settings, you want to go over to accessibility and then find hearing enhancements. From there, you can find the mono audio. Make sure that this is not turned on. If it's turned on, toggle it off because what happens is when this is turned on, both of the speakers will play the same sound and it will be combined. If you're on iPhone, it's usually on the same accessibility settings as well. So what it does is it's going to restore your true stereo separation and makes vocals clearer and bass feel fuller. It will also improve the volume balance without any distortions. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.